It is great to be here today. I greet you and welcome you on behalf of the city of Eatonton. I've had a few champagne wish and caviar dreams in my life, and this is one of them. Now, if anybody's been around me, they know that I've worked hard to see one of these come into our community. And we're so proud, so thankful to the Drew Company for making it come to fruition.
Wow, today is just a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It is so awesome, such an awesome day in spite of the weather. This particular project that we are here for today, the historic Eatonton Hotel, renovating and creating something new for Eatonton, is definitely a game changer, and we're excited.
There are a lot of people in this community that have been working for a long time to see this come to fruition, and now we can finally talk about it.
They're going to use the old structure, which I just looked at. It's in fine shape. They're doing the right thing. Yeah, I said this is proof. This shows how much more progressive Putnam County is.
Projects such as this are the catalytic events that communities like ours need to step up to the next level. And I can't tell you how proud I am to know the Drew Company sees what we see in our community.
Eatonton's growing. People love this town, and we've got to have somewhere for them to stay. This is a heart of this community and a beautiful piece of infrastructure and architecture, and I just believe that bringing this back to life in all its glory is going to just showcase our beauty.
But we see this site as a huge opportunity to really bring back to life the historic Eatonton Hotel. It's been dormant for quite some time. We want to bring it back to its former glory.
I love the plans. As a matter of fact, this used to be my old office. I started my career right here in this building. I started on the 3rd floor, made my way down to the 1st floor. So I'm just looking forward to seeing the transformation. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm super excited.
We see how this could really be transformative here for the city, and we're really excited about this opportunity. And we're grateful given this opportunity as well.
Everyone we've talked to has really embraced the concept, and I think everybody who's in this community has that same exact reaction, which is, where do I tell when I have friends come and stay, when I have family, I have nowhere for them to put them. On the business side, you've got a courthouse right next door. You've got, all the filmmaking opportunities. There's nowhere for people to go. So it's, you've got leisure, you've got business. I think we're gonna have a good mix.
Anytime you could take a historic building that you have like this and repurpose it and update it, you're able to keep the old feel of the community, but bring new people in to enjoy it. I'm very excited about it.
Today in Putnam County is something that's going to change this area for a while. This is an exciting event, it's an exciting opportunity to grow the downtown area. I envision that this hotel is going to generate future growth in the downtown businesses, and we're going to be able to really see some opportunities that otherwise wouldn't have happened. This is going to kickstart downtown for the betterment.
So it's going to be a great opportunity to bring people here into our community and see what we have to offer. Besides that, it's going to create jobs in the hotel itself and industries that serve it. So it's going to be a big job magnet for us. We're going to be able to draw people. I no longer have to tell people that they need to go to Milledgeville or go to Madison to get a room when we have an event here. They're going to be able to stay right here and walk to our event. And I can tell you, we got so many more projects in the works that when all of it comes together, it's going to be a new Eatonton.